So let us start with how to access your textbook from McRoy and the Smart Book as well. So assume that you accessed your Blackboard and you clicked on your course. As you can see, the second item, it gives you a link from where you have to register your access to McRoy Connect. The link of my course is the following link. So all you need to do is to copy this link, and the cost of that book will be $130. Okay. So after you copied the link, let me just post it over here. You will be asked to register for this course. So assume you didn't register yet, just click register now. You will provide your Western Kentucky University email address. In my case, since I am an instructor, I cannot use my email address, so I'm going to go ahead and use another email I have on Gmail. But again, you cannot use something different. Make sure you use the correct one. And you're going to sign in. Okay, so I did this before as a student, so let me show you just the process. So you might be asked to enter your personal information, the password that you pick for, and all those stuff. After you got granted to access Adobe Connect, you will be able to see the materials related to each chapter. Not only that, you can start reading your materials from the link here, the ebook, or you can click on a better option, which is Learn Smart, which is a new technology by McGraw-Hill, which allows you to read and practice at the same time. You will see whole chapters. You start with your chapter 1 self-study, and from this location you will see most of the important stuff have been highlighted, which is really important. So the first page, the first chapter starts at this page. I don't like the thumbnails on the left side, so I just minimize it by clicking on this small box at the upper left corner. So you will get the chance to start reading. And while you are reading, I would like to mention a couple of notes over here. So you start reading the cases, and you will have hands-on activities associated with the chapter. However, one of the most important aspects of using this book is the learning resources available for you in many different places in this chapter. For example, you have about 11 videos in this chapter. So you click on it, and here we go. If you click the video,
a basic but very important skill to have.
So you will get a video that describes in detail that concept related to that section. Pay attention to watch those videos because they are really important, and they will help you understand the concepts in this book. Here we go, we have another one here. Now, if you were reading with this Smart Book technology, and you didn't practice, actually automatically it will pop up and ask you to practice. You will see a woman comes in and say, you have been reading long enough and it's your time to practice now. And the practice is not degraded, it's for your benefit. Okay, so this is the type of practice that you do. And not only that, inside the practice there is a hint on the right side, like if you didn't know the answer to that question, it can bring back the location from where this questions popped up. So this is really important. So you can go back to the question and answer it after reading the correct answer. Now, if you want to go back to your reading, again, I'm going to take off the thumbnail. So that's the most important aspect in this course, that you're going to read all the materials, and you will notice from time to time that saying optional. Don't skip the optional, because actually the optionals are the most important part in this book, because we're not learning pure statistics, but we are building on top of the statistics to learn what is called predictive analytics. And the optional type of case scenarios given in this book are the one covering those aspects. So let me show you some of them. Let's see, after that, here it is. So for example, business analytics and data mining is not optional, so make sure you read it. It's really important to understand the overlap between statistics and predictive analytics, and which is what we're going to capitalize on. So that's it, very smart introduction. Another note, when you register for McGraw-Hill, you will need to go check your email. They will send you a link for activation, so you activate your account. And you might end up sometimes asking you, let's see if I have a link from that one, asking you to post a link of your instructor's email. So the link they are talking about is this link that's available for you in Blackboard. Okay, so this is a very short video on how to start. After that, you're gonna see inside Blackboard, I divided our lectures by week. Every week you will have assignments to do. Due date of the assignments always will be Sunday midnight. So you have enough time to read, practice, and to answer the assignments. Some of the assignments you will have them mentioned inside the Blackboard, and some of them you'll have to do them inside the McGraw. Like this one, for example, you have to do it inside McGraw. I would mention in details in your Blackboard where the location of those assignments, so you don't get confused. That's it for now, and we'll see you in the next video.